strategy for a green campus. About zero waste strategy. Zero waste hierarchy. About green campus. Sustainability indication and waste valorization. Abstract. Conclusion. In 1973, the zero waste strategy was proposed by chemical engineer Paul Palmer to eliminate material resource waste in proper disposal of recycled material in industry. These principles were adopted by EPA, Environment Protection Agency in USA, for anti-pollution norms, and it has been used by environmentalists and civil society organizations. About zero waste strategy. Currently, the zero waste strategy has been adopted as an instrument for a circular economy by several different organizations. Zero waste hierarchy. We think, we design, reduce, reuse, recycle, compost, material recovery, residual management, and accessible. About green campus. The process of green campus focuses on sustainability initiatives, such as improve efficiency, protection, and restore ecological systems, and which the well-being of all members of the campus. This involves people, process, and place. People would be related to employees, the campus user, and frequent the culture to which they belong and their well-being. The Zero Waste Program, the Energy Program, the Smart Campus Project. Proposed sustainability indication. Total amount of solid waste generation, tons per year. Amount of solid waste generated by members of the academic community, tons per capita per year. Amount of organic waste sent for composting or anaerobic digestion, tons per year. Amount of hazardous waste generated annually by members of the academic community, tons per capita per year. Amount of hazardous waste reused, tons per year. Rate of waste generation reduction per member of the academic community, tons per capita per year. Rate of hazardous waste generation reduction per member of the academic community, tons per capita per year. Conclusion. Having a right state green campus as a methodology for implementing sustainability actions. The university promotes a cultural change at the institution that facilitates the implementation of projects and to become a zero waste organization. Thanks. Gislaine Aparecida Moreira, Emília Wanda Rutkov, State University of Campinas, Unicamp, Brasil.